Hello friends, my name is Akash. So today I give you some ideas about the writing some codes in Java, how to print some things, how to print some messages, how to check some numbers like prime numbers that whether the number is prime or not, about factorials numbers, etc. Some simple programs in Java. So first write the code of prime numbers. So class prime number. Prime number means that the number which is divisible by 1 or these numbers is known as prime numbers. Apart from these 1 or these numbers, any other numbers cannot divide these numbers. This number is known as prime numbers. For examples, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 23. These are the numbers of this is the prime numbers, example of prime numbers. So I write some code, we write the code of prime numbers, how to check this that the number is prime or not. So take the number in n, scanner ac, new scanner system dot in. Scanner is, we already in the previous video I already told about the scanners. It is used to take some input from the users, and it is a header files. This is a package imports java util.scanners. This is the message where you want when we run the code. This time it displays the message that enter the numbers. So for checking the prime numbers, so it needs one loop, that is for I is equal to 2, I less than n, I plus plus. First we write the code, then I give you all the explanation of these codes. R is equal to n module divided by I if R, we have to declare the R is equal to 0. We assign the values because R is used to hold some values. For this purpose I have to assign some values whenever we declare these variables. These are the rules of Java. So if R equal to 0, then break, else continue. If I equal to n, then it display the message that this is the prime numbers, else it display not prime numbers. So this is the code for prime numbers. So first we take some three variables, that is n is the numbers which will be taken by the users. I is used to increment the for using looping for in. So prime number is starts from the 2, so I is equal to 2, and it's continue till the numbers which I write or which I input whenever we execute the programs, and it will be incremented by plus 1 I plus plus. In the loops that I write r is equal to n module divided I. In r I hold the value of n, the number is module divided by I. If r equal to 0, then break from the loop, and it will be go to the if conditions, and else continue. And if the I is equal to n, if the I and n's values is become same, then it display the prime numbers. If it not same, then it display not prime numbers. So we execute the programs. Java application take the numbers that 9 is a not prime numbers, so enter not primes, because 9 is divisible by 1, 9 as well as 3, so it is not a prime numbers. So again we run the for check the prime numbers, like 11 is a prime number, so enter, it displayed is a prime number, so my code is correct. Thank you for watching my videos, and give some ideas about the programmings in comments. Don't forget to subscribe my channels. Thank you friends.